Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a government photo ID, proof of address, an active mobile number, and email. Once you have those, open the Apar portal and choose New Application. Enter your full name, date of birth, and mobile. Verify via OTP immediately so the session stays valid. Make sure scanned documents are clear and under 5 MB. This reduces rejection risk. The goal here is to get past the opening gate quickly, because delays at step 1 cascade later. Once done with account setup, you move to the detailed form. Carefully type your name exactly as on official ID and pick the matching date of birth. Inconsistencies trigger manual review. Upload the required front and back scans, cropping out shadows and keeping resolution near 300 dpi so OCR reads correctly. Then select any service options, check consent boxes, and preview the filled form. Verify each field. This reduces back and forth and speeds approval, because you finish by submitting the application and completing any payment step. Save the receipt and transaction ID for records. After submission, expect a verification window, typically 3 to 14 business days, and check the portal for status updates. If approval arrives, download your Apar ID and enable two-factor login. If something goes wrong, note the rejection reason or error code, correct the specific document or field, and reapply immediately. Acting fast minimizes lost queue time and prevents repeated delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.